Let's have our second problem. So this is our second problem. So let us read this together, everyone. Machine A can finish binding 120 books in an hour. And machine B, which is older, can finish binding 75 books in an hour. Machine A was opened at 8:30 a.m. and machine B at 9:45 a.m. At what time will they be able to bind the total of 605 books? Okay, so this is our problem. So we have machine A and machine B. Machine A is 120 books, machine B is 75 books. And machine A open 8:30, so sayo. And machine B is 9:45. So sayo ni open si machine A. Pila man ang time nila makomplete ang task, which is 605 books. Okay, so we have 4 steps. Representation. So again, do not forget our formula. Work equals rate times time. So the name here, we have machine A and machine B. The rate is 120 books per hour for machine A, and B is 75 books per hour. Now the time here is, this is the time. Since machine B is 9:45 and machine A is 8:30. So if machine B is 9:45 X, so therefore machine A is X plus, since sayo man i-open ang machine A, plus mo sila sa difference nila. So you have 8:30 ug 9:45. The difference here is 75. So 75 minutes, and 75 divided by 6, that is 1 1/4 or 1.25. So 1.25 ang ilahang difference. So you have X plus 1 1/4. Okay ra, nagets ra? So taas-taas og time si machine A since una man siya nag-operate. 8:30 man siya ni open compared to machine B nga 9:45 ra. The work done is you multiply the rate and the time. So we have 120 times X plus, i-convert lang akong improper, 5/4 by multiplying 4 times 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5, and copy the denominator 4. And 75 books, and that is 75 times X is 75X. Now, the units are very helpful for us. Since the rate is 120 books per hour, it only means that the unit for work is books. Diba time is hour? If you multiply that one, na-cancel ang hour. What is left is books. Meaning the unit for the work done is in terms of books. Another way is, your rate is, you divide both sides by T. So work over T. So work over time. So books over R. So the work is books. Okay. And our equation is, so the work done in terms of books by machine A is 120 times the quantity of X plus 5/4 plus the work done by machine B, which is 75X, should equal to 605 books, the total books that we need to bind. So mao ni siya atong work nga buhaton, 605 books. And to solve this, a little algebra solution. So what we're going to do is to distribute 120x, and then you have 120 times 5/4 is 150 plus copy 75x and 605. Combining like terms, 120 and 75 is 195x, 150 and 605, that is 455. And you divide both sides by 195, so you have 2 and 1/3. Is this our answer, 2 and 1/3? The time for the X represented by the duration of our time for machine B. Now, what is asked is what time will they be able to bind? It only means that our conclusion is this one. Since machine B started at 9:45, machine B at 9:45, and the duration sa ilang work is 2 and 1/3 hours. And that is equivalent to 2 hours and 20 minutes. So the time would be 12:05 p.m. So gikan sa 9:45, so 9:45, nya 10:45, nya 11:45, 2 hours na, plus 20 minutes pa jud. So from 11:45 na kay 15 minutes, that is 12. Nya kag 5 pa ka minutes, so that is 12:05 p.m. So by this time, the two machines have finished binding 605 books. Okay, so the answer for this problem is 12:05 p.m. Okay, so this is our second problem for our rate problem work. I know you are excited na to apply this in our assignment. So, have a good day, class.